We're gonna go make ice cream sandwiches. Yay. First thing you want to do is open your freezer and pull out your cookie dough, because making cookie dough is difficult. And I have Toll House because Toll House is good. Secondly, you're going to want to grab a baking sheet and spray it down with some cooking oil so that your cookies don't stick to the pan. Now you're going to lose your cookies even though they're right behind you, and all of a sudden find them. I said find them. There you go. And bring them back to the cookie sheet where you can now follow the instructions and distribute them. First thing the packet says is to preheat your oven to 350. After you've done that, you're going to further read your instructions and realize that you need scissors to open your package. However, you just use your scissors for a craft. And now you're going to go find them and wash them so that you can open your cookies responsibly. Now that you found your scissors, you're going to cut your package right across the top and make it to where you can get as many cookies as you need. Now that your cookies are on the sheet, it's time to put them in the oven. Now that our cookies are in the oven, we're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes and look at ourselves wondering if this is really what we should be doing at 12 o'clock in the morning.
15 minutes later.
Now lightly tap your cookies to see if they're ready, and fan them like it's going to speed up the process.
Later. After they've cooled, shuffle them around so that they don't dry onto the pan. I'm not sure if this actually does anything, but it just makes me feel better. Make sure you share with your family. And definitely make sure you eat the smallest one. You know, just to make sure. Now you're going to grab your tiny ice cream cup. You can also use a scoop from a regular ice cream thingy. And then you're going to put both of your cookies onto your sheet because you've now realized that it's not that hot and you can touch it. Then you're going to grab a knife and scrape around the sides of your ice cream just to get it out in a shapely manner. "20 minutes later."
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Eventually.
Maybe this is something you eat with a fork. Have fun! Bye!